Amit has been freed. I was not strong enough to stop her. Mark Spector, I need your help.
Just curious about something. How's this whole new arrangement going to work then?
Even Grant, I was not speaking to you.
Yeah, all right, but we do come as like a package deal now, so you are going to have to deal with me. And we did just save your life, so you're welcome for that. But I do think that you should answer my question, though. How's this deal going to work?
You would negotiate now? With so much at stake?
Well, we did learn from the best, you silly old bird.
I would release you both. You have my word.
I like the sound of that.